In this video, you will learn how to update your phone to iOS 15. Now, before I show you how to do it, I highly recommend that you back up your phone. Normally updates go fine, but, to be safe, please back up your phone. Now, to the update. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to General. After you have clicked on that, you should see a button called Software Updates. Click that, and you should see the iOS 15 update. If you do not see it, your iPhone is probably too old. If you do see it, then scroll down, and click Download and Install. This downloading process may take some time. Don't turn your phone off, and leave it charging. When the update is done, you should click Install. This process will take some more time, but this is basically the last step. After that's done, sign in your iPhone and explore the many new features of the update. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this content, please consider subscribing. It's free and you can always unsubscribe.